How can I automatically copy one spreadsheet to another? Hi, this is Elliot from Workload. Please subscribe to our channel to get more daily content. In this video, we'll be building a workflow starting with the new spreadsheet row in Google Sheets. Then we'll be taking all the details of that spreadsheet and importing them into another spreadsheet in Google Sheets. Let's build a workflow. So we're going to start here at the workload editor. We'll give our workflow a title, Sync Google Sheets. And we'll select our trigger by clicking in the trigger box. We're going to be using Google Sheets, so I can type in part of the name of the app here in my search bar. The event is going to be a new spreadsheet row. I'm going to make sure I'm signed in to Google and also that I've shared all of the spreadsheets that I want to use in this workflow. So I'm going to be using my new lead spreadsheet and my subscribers spreadsheet. Those are already shared with Workload, so I can go ahead and continue. We're going to start with our new leads spreadsheet. That's going to be sheet 1. So this is our triggering spreadsheet. So whenever someone adds a new row to our new lead spreadsheet, that's going to initiate this workflow. We'll test this trigger, and we have a new lead. And what I want is for this information to automatically be added to a second spreadsheet whenever it's added to this first one. So we'll click continue. I'm going to use Google Sheets again, and you can see it's down here in my recent apps section. So I can just click on the name there. The event is going to be to create a spreadsheet row. This time, we're going to select the subscribers spreadsheet. This is also sheet 1 in my example. Once I've selected that spreadsheet, Workload is going to automatically load all of the column names, and I'm going to import the details from the trigger. So I'm going to click on the plus sign by name, and then find the name of the contact from the trigger. I'm going to do the same with all these other fields. So now we have email address, street address, we have a company name, and a phone number. Once I've mapped all of those details from one spreadsheet onto the other, then I can click continue and test this action. And we have a success. So I'll click continue here. I can look over at my subscribers spreadsheet, and you can see that information was uploaded into this spreadsheet. And it is the same as the information from this spreadsheet. So it looks like our workload is set up correctly. I can come back over to the workload editor. I see we have a red dot in this node, so I'm going to click here in the trigger box. Sometimes that's all it takes in order for the node to turn green. And then I can activate my workflow. And now, whenever we create a new row in my new lead spreadsheet, those details will automatically be mapped onto my subscribers spreadsheet as well. That's how you can use Workload to build a workflow that automatically syncs one spreadsheet to another in Google Sheets. Please join the Workload community by commenting on this video with any questions you might have or suggestions for future videos. You should also like this video and click here to subscribe to our channel, or click here to get more content from Workload about how to make your business practices more smoothly. And I'll see you next time.